Have you ever wondered why you can buy from Chinese with a that cheap price of why they can prepare your orders with a warp speed? The world's factory attracts investors and entrepreneurs globally to take a stake in the business, especially in Chinese hair extension, with a vague belief that they provide the best price. Albeit does come with a good quality. These videos will provide you all must-know things about Chinese hair extensions and top 3 outrageous secrets you never know behind its breakneck growth. China is expanding its market and heading for becoming the leading figures in the global import and export industry. However, with the COVID-19 pandemic repercussions, the pandemic has a profound impact on the second largest economy in the first quarter of 2020. Specifically, the outbreak can lead to the business suspensions of many big hair distributors of the country. Moreover, the challenge to China's economy is just beginning, as cited in the Time magazine's 2020. Top 3 outrageous secrets the Chinese hair extensions. Number 1. Large-scale productions, an outstanding component. Production in large scale is the prominent factors that make China among the leading hair distributors in the world. Particularly, each manufacturing unit has about 500 to 1,000 workers with numerous storehouses. Therefore, China is always ready to provide a large quantity of hair extension products to the global market. Number 2. Origins. Where do Chinese hair extensions come from? Have you ever wondered about the origins of Chinese hair extensions? Here is the answer. Synthetic hair extensions. This type of hairs used to be very popular among consumers in the last 20 years. However, when the living standard improved, this hair extensions is losing its prevalence. Currently, Chinese synthetic hair extensions account for only 20.1% are just only distributed to regions with financial hardships. Mixing hair extensions. This grade of quality is becoming more and more popular in China's hair market, represent nearly a half of the Chinese hair extension export. With this category, Chinese factory will connect materials mostly from India and combine with the synthetic fibers to lower the price. Human hair extensions. Human hair extensions are the sparkling new quality of Chinese hair extensions market to cater for the demand of picky customers. Remarkably, this grade comes mainly from Vietnam. According to the summit meeting VOIEF 2020 Vietnam Online Import and Export Forum on July 2020, 80% of high-quality hair in China is originally imported from Vietnamese hair factory. So, what should you choose? If you want to stay in large-scale business and sell your goods to your customers once only, you can start with synthetic and mixing hair extensions. If you want to build a big and long-standing business and get profits from it, natural hair extensions are your ideal choice. 3. A robust inventory. Why? Do you know why some Chinese hair factories still can distribute their commodities worldwide in any cases, even during the COVID-19? It's because they manufacture hair in large quantity and keep them in the warehouse. After that, they will use the chemicals as preservatives to make the hair fresh. Therefore, hair vendors can purchase and fill their stock perfectly with the Chinese hair extensions at lightning speeds, even when the manufacturing activities are suspended. KF Factory is the leading hair supplier in Vietnam. With more than 30 years experience in the hair business, KF has provided natural hair extensions for more than 100 hair factory and trading corporations in China, including ECI Corporation, Lightweight Hair, Changjiang Co. Additionally, the motto, Quality is King, brings KF the position as the most reliable supplier of high-quality hair for this big and lucrative market and many other big hair vendors all over the world.